Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top AI tools you need in 2025. From boosting your productivity to generating mind-blowing content, we've got you covered. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the future of AI. Let's get started. First up, we've got Notion AI, your personal AI-powered workspace for ideas, to-do lists, and projects. Notion AI can help you generate content, brainstorm, and organize efficiently. Writer's block, long document summaries, Notion AI has you covered. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your needs. Next up is ChatGPT Turbo or Pro, the latest advancements in AI technology. These versions offer a smarter, faster AI assistant that can handle more complex tasks with ease. It remembers your conversations and learns your style, adapting to your needs over time. This makes it perfect for research, writing, and brainstorming sessions, providing you with tailored suggestions. Need a blog post, email, or fresh ideas? ChatGPT is your go-to assistant for all your creative needs. This new generation understands context, nuance, and even humor, making interactions more natural and engaging. It's like conversing with a knowledgeable friend who can generate text in multiple languages, breaking down language barriers. Experience the unmatched power and flexibility of ChatGPT Turbo or Pro, designed to elevate your productivity and creativity. Looking for an alternative to ChatGPT? Meet Claude AI, your new AI debate partner. This tool excels at deep dives and nuanced discussions, challenging your assumptions and pushing the boundaries of your thinking. Perfect for research papers, complex reports, or exploring multiple perspectives on a single topic. Claude AI helps you see all sides of an argument. Claude AI summarizes large texts efficiently, making it ideal for students and researchers who need quick, comprehensive overviews. Designed with ethics and safety in mind, it provides unbiased, reliable information, ensuring that your research is both accurate and trustworthy. Claude AI is a must-have for anyone involved in writing, researching, or exploring new ideas. It's your go-to tool for generating fresh insights and comprehensive analyses. Get ready to be amazed by Rewind AI, a DVR for your digital life. Imagine having a tool that records every single thing you see and hear on your computer. It records everything you see and hear on your computer, making your digital life searchable. Whether it's a meeting, a video, or a random thought, Rewind AI captures it all. Forgot that YouTube video detail? Search it in Rewind and it's there. No more endless scrolling or trying to remember where you saw something. It's like having a photographic memory for your computer activities. Every detail is stored and can be recalled instantly. For productivity enthusiasts, Rewind AI is a game changer. Imagine the efficiency of never having to search for lost information again. Never waste time searching for information again. With Rewind AI, everything you need is just a quick search away, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's talk automation with Zapier AI. Connect your favorite apps and automate workflows without coding. Automatically save email attachments to Dropbox or post Instagram photos to Twitter. The possibilities are endless and easy to set up. Zapier's AI-powered interface simplifies complex workflows, ideal for busy professionals, social media managers, or anyone valuing their time. Zapier AI is a must-have tool for automation. Video editors, meet your new best friend. Runway ML, AI-powered features like background removal, footage enhancement, and video generation. Describe what you want, and Runway ML generates it. Includes motion tracking, object removal, and style transfer. Perfect for creating deep fake videos and professional content. Runway ML brings Hollywood-level post-production to your fingertips. Descript is a game changer for audio and video content. Edit videos as easily as text documents with automatic transcription. Edit the text to edit the video, it's that simple. Features include AI-powered noise reduction and studio-quality audio effects. Generate realistic AI voiceovers and create animated explainer videos. Ideal for podcasters, YouTubers, and video editors. Descript is a must-have tool for content creators. AI-generated art is here with Midjourney and DALL-E 3. Create stunning artwork by describing what you want. From photorealistic images to abstract paintings, the possibilities are endless. No artistic skills needed, just type your prompt and let the AI work its magic. Perfect for designers, marketers, and art enthusiasts. ElevenLabs brings ultra-realistic AI voices for narrations, audiobooks, and voiceovers. Choose from pre-made voices or create custom ones by cloning voices. Fine-tune pitch, tone, and emotional inflection. Ideal for content creators, game developers, and anyone needing high-quality AI voices. ElevenLabs offers unparalleled voice customization. Synthesia revolutionizes corporate video production with AI-powered avatars. Type your script, choose an avatar, and generate professional videos. Diverse avatars for any brand or message. Use Synthesia for explainer videos, product demos, and marketing materials. Create engaging video content without breaking the bank. ChatGPT Enterprise revolutionizes business with AI. Trained on your company's data for customer service, workflows, and sales, AI-powered reps available 24/7 for customer support and upselling. Automate tasks like scheduling, report generation, and coding. ChatGPT Enterprise is essential for businesses aiming to leverage AI. Take your business to the next level with ChatGPT Enterprise. Meet Copy.ai and Jasper AI for high-converting marketing copy. Generate emails, social media posts, and blog articles in seconds. Advanced language models tailor content to your audience and brand voice. Save time and boost productivity with these AI writing assistants. Perfect for marketers and content creators. Pictory AI turns text into engaging video content in minutes. Paste your script, and Pictory AI creates videos with visuals, music, and voiceovers. No video editing skills needed. Intuitive interface for everyone. Ideal for social media, ads, and presentations. Boost your video marketing game with Pictory AI. Surfer SEO simplifies SEO with data-driven insights. Optimize keywords, content, backlinks, and competitor research. Intuitive interface and easy-to-understand reports. Accessible to bloggers, small business owners, and SEO agencies. Drive more organic traffic with Surfer SEO. Browse AI automates data extraction from websites. No coding required, just specify the data you need. Delivers structured data for easy export to your tools. Ideal for market research, competitive analysis, and data projects. Browse AI is a valuable tool for efficient data collection. GitHub Copilot X is your AI pair programmer. Provides real-time code suggestions, documentation, and complete functions. Helps write better, more efficient code. Perfect for developers of all skill levels. GitHub Copilot X is a game changer for coding. Tabnine is an advanced autocomplete for your code. Predicts entire lines, functions, and comments in multiple languages. Learns from your coding style for better suggestions. Ideal for polyglot programmers. Tabnine is like a personal coding assistant. OpenAI Codex powers amazing AI coding assistants. Generates code, translates natural language, and writes documentation. Potential to revolutionize computer interaction. Create websites, apps, and games by describing what you want. OpenAI Codex is a powerful AI engine. AutoGPT is a fully autonomous AI agent. Completes tasks like booking flights, ordering food, and writing code. Uses AI models, APIs, and internet browsing to achieve goals. Personal AI assistant for any task. AutoGPT has the potential to revolutionize work and life. AI21 Studio offers advanced AI models for text generation. Fine-tune existing models or create custom ones. Access pre-trained models for summarization, question answering, and text generation. AI21 Studio is a powerful tool for AI enthusiasts and developers. And there you have it, the top AI tools you need in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI updates. See you in the next one.